sequel to Sideways won first place gold medal.
Hang on.
Hold on, wait for the music to come down. No music down? Got it. It's theater. So Vertical won first place gold medal for the Independent Publishers Award, and Rex wouldn't go to New York to accept his prize because he wanted to be here to meet all the wineries, so they sent it out here, and so I want to surprise Rex and bring him out here.